In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. This is a simple but important setting if you want to install unpacked extensions, test browser add-ons, or access more advanced extension options in Edge. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Edge keeps a lot of useful settings and tools. From the menu that appears, hover over or click Extensions. In some versions of Edge, you may see extensions directly in the menu, and in others, you may need to open the extensions page first. After that, click Manage Extensions from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Extensions Management page, where you can view, remove, and control all of your installed extensions. Now, on this page, look to the left sidebar or the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a Developer Mode switch. All you need to do is toggle Developer Mode to on. Once you do that, Developer Mode is enabled in Microsoft Edge. After turning it on, you may notice additional options appear, such as the ability to load unpacked extensions, which is useful for developers and advanced users. If you ever want to turn it off later, just come back to the same extensions page and switch developer mode back off. And that's it. You've successfully enabled developer mode in Edge. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides just like this one.